uh, NALSA, National Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with Mediation Conciliation Project Committee, Supreme Court of India, they have launched a mediation campaign, 90 days mediation campaign, which has started from July, 1st July, and it shall continue till September of this year. Through this mediation, Supreme Court, they have instructed all the states to continue with this drive. So we also, Tripura State Legal Services Authority, in collaboration with High Court Mediation Committee, we have also started this campaign for next 90 days. We have issued notice to all the district courts to refer the cases identified which are suitable to be settled through mediation to the mediation centers. And from 15th onward, the process of mediation will start. It will continue till 30th September. Yes.
How many cases are expected in this campaign?
No, actually it depends upon the suitability of the cases. Since where there is a possibility of settlement through mediation, then only these are to be decided by the court, concerned court, which are actually dealing, trial is going on, cases are pending before the court. That court will identify actually which are suitable to be referred for mediation. So accordingly, whenever these mediation centers, they will receive accordingly, that will be referred to the mediator. We have a panel of mediator as well as expert mediator that I have informed you. This is for the first time in Tripura. These expert mediator, training of expert mediators have been actually imparted training. So within this northeast, we are the first state. So there will be mediator. They will process with the case, and then they will refer this thing decision of the parties.
So how many mediators we have right now? Three mediators.
Actually, right now I don't have the exact data, but it will be more than 200, because just in April only we have imparted training around 75 mediators from different sectors of the society, including women, paralegal volunteers, and that I have already mentioned, IS, retired IS, IPS officer. So this was 75 was just this year only we have. Okay.